Balconies in our home are made with lot of feeling and serves as the most important part of every home. Whether it be a little sunshine, connection to the outside world, the view, or be a little green corner in the house. Without a balcony, life seems impossible in an apartment. Even before buying or renting a home, we always speak in the balconies. आपके अपार्टमेंट का वो एक टुकड़ा जमीन जहाँ से बहुत सारा आसमान दिखता है, एक ठिकाना जहाँ अचार सूखता है, एक ठिकाना जहाँ भीगे कपड़े सूख के खुश हो जाते हैं, खिलते हुए फूलों को देख के हम सब खिलखिला जाते हैं. These small birds bring so much joy to remind us, oh, life is so beautiful. Our story grows just like this, with our plant, balcony के corner में रखा हुआ वो एक plant stand, वो झूला, वो एक chair और भी कितना कुछ. Let me narrate you the most fascinating tale of our balcony today. We have two balconies in our home. Earlier, I have shared one balcony makeover and tour attached to our master bedroom. This is the second balcony attached with the living and dining space, which serves as our gateway to the blue skies, green world, and most important, the good morning sun. Here is the measurement of the balcony on your screen. Let me give you a before tour. There was a particular reason to remodel the balcony, the flow. The slope of the floor was in the opposite direction to the drain or outlet and the porous marble floor, which was already in a bad shape, as this is the old property, as many of you already know. We slowly started collecting a lot of plants and stands to keep them. But without proper planning, the space was getting very overcrowded. Daily cleaning was a hassle for me. Also, we decided to renovate the balcony while we were changing the age-old windows in our home. The balcony renovation was not in the list, but it happened for real good. After using the balcony for more than 4 years, our need and want was pretty clear. My husband wanted to add more and more plants while I was fighting to keeping it clean. Finally, we both decided to have a balance, but over time, I am sure this balcony will turn into a jungle again. While I was planning, researching and conceptualizing this balcony makeover video, I asked you on Instagram if you have any questions related to balcony decor or maintenance. I have noted all your questions and categorized them in 2 broad sections. Please pause the video to read the answers. We bought this trellis from IKEA in 2018, fixed it on the wall, but later we realized cleaning the creepers will be a tough job. We had 2 choices, either to go with an oil paint or tiles, and after we found these tiles, it was go for it moment. I asked them to cut it in 6 inches long, just like a border, to place them alongside, and then from there one wall will be completely covered with the same tiles. But then the beauty of the trellis was going to be lost. So we found this slate style wall tile to put it behind the trellis, and voila! Look how beautifully it is popping out. We designed this custom-made granite shelf, a granite bench, this small granite shelf, Reason to customize this bench was to let the sunshine fall directly on the pots, as these are flowering pots and they need direct sunlight. This is a wooden wall planter holder. I will share the link in the description box if you want to refer. It's narrow, lightweight and specifically perfect for any small space. After using it for years and constantly it was in touch with water, now it's time to take care of the wood to prevent fungal growth. In this case, go with Berger Breathe Easy Impregnator and Top Coat. The process is so easy, just follow these steps. I'm sanding it first to remove all the rough surfaces, dirt and grease if there is any. I used 220 grit sandpaper and it took me about 15 minutes to sand it. Now clean the ladder with a damp cloth to remove all the dust. Take a cloth or a brush and apply Berger Breathe Easy Impregnator. It's in teak finish. You can have other color choices too. Now stain it directly on the surface. I choose the teak finish as it gives a lovely earthy terracotta kind of finish to your wood. It is a really important step to use a top coat to maintain the wood finish. So here I am using Berger Breathe Easy Clear Satin Gloss as top coat. It needs at least 3 to 4 coats for a lovely finish. Leave each coat to dry for 5 to 6 hours. Each coat except for the final finish coat is sanded with 320 grit sandpaper. This PU coating is low VOC, environment friendly and can be used for interior as well as exterior of your home. As mentioned, its antimicrobial property prevents algal and fungal growth. I will share the Berger Breathe Easy product links and related details in the description box below for your reference. This ladder can be really a showstopper in your small balcony. Maintenance is easy, just use wood stain and top coats in every 2 to 3 years and it will be all new. Hang plants, add creepers, decorate with things collected from your travels or exhibition to decorate your balcony. I have no rush to fill this in. Slowly I will collect things and display them here in this little balcony corner. Over time, I have collected these ceramic pots from roadside shops and from Shilparamam, a local handicraft market in Hyderabad. Many of you asked me about ceramic pots. They are beautiful, durable and their porosity is less, which means the soil will not dry out faster, but they are heavy and expensive. Maintenance is very easy. Simply wipe the pot with wet cloth, the one that has chipped, cleaned and paint them with a ceramic surface paint. If you have heavy pots, get this kind of plant stands with wheels. Moving them and cleaning the area will be so easy. The plants you see here in our balcony all are our old members of the family. It's been a year or even more. We didn't bring any new one home, but we are about to. We bought this railing planter to add seasonal flowering plants like marigold, dahlia, petunia, calendula, carnation, aster, kalanchoe or kalancho to welcome winter in our small balcony garden. Dust is inevitable, but we found a solution to keep our balcony fairly clean. Hope it will be useful for you too. We used to clean the dust with cloth and spray bottles. For a couple of plants, it's really a great solution, but it was becoming really inconvenient for us as the number of plants in this balcony kept growing. As evident, we do not have any water source taps in this balcony. So what we have done? We have attached a long hose pipe with a nozzle sprayer in one of our bathrooms. Since then, it becomes so easy to tackle the dust from this daily construction site as well. I make sure to use only those decor items which are washable. The jhula and this bamboo stool moda all are painted with exterior paint to protect them from dust and water. A couple of things are yet to source, like a mattress for the jhula, and then I will buy some fabric to cover the mattress. As the quote says, our home should inspire us to go out into the world to do great things. And this is a corner of our home which will always inspire me to do things I always wanted to do. Hope this video will inspire you to create a cozy home for you and your family. Please like the video and comment if you like the makeover of our newly renovated balcony space. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care, bye bye, and enjoy the tour.